My blood runs blood.
Young Ruler recording.
My blood runs black, gold, and green. My soul is Rastafari. The place I live and the places I've been. I lived in the ghetto, my people still here. The police always come and shoot, people don't care. But I learned to see clear, see fear. Live in love, live in peace, but I live with the most high. May not live in hate, may not live in war. Live as a pure Rasta, stay with the Lord, my brother. If you can't do the same, we cannot move forward. My blood runs black, gold, gold and green. My soul is Rastafari. So, do you have no respect? Do you have no honor? If you want peace, you should live as a Rasta.
It's got to make sense to make cabbage. Calm lifestyle, no need to move savage. No making trips every day now like rabbits. Write my own tunes every day like habits. Beetroot, broccoli, chain full of carrots. Static, handle my business with no matic. Great and effective, but in a small package. High meditation, great without cabbage.
We used to eat out of one pot when the food boiler. But due to ego, envy and pride. When them on the words, them on the spirit, them defiler. Bad mind and grudgeful with them plastic smile. Them I behave like some Draco reptile. And I sprinkle powder and I splash Isla. All they want for do is conquer, rule and divide. But the energy where them carry every salt and soil.
I live in the ghetto, my people still here. The police always come and shoot, people don't care. But I learned to see clear, see fear. Live in love, live in peace, but I live with the most high. May not live in hate, may not live in war. Live as a pure Rasta, stay with the Lord, my brother. If you can't do the same, we cannot move forward. Do you have no respect? Do you have no honor? If you want peace, you should live as a Rasta.
Born and bred, born and grow. See Rastafari liberty's all I and I know. X and O, tic-tac-toe. Black star line and see the sea breeze blow. Aussie and record, CEO. Bust open up your mind, CBD. It's man versus machine, C3PO. Prophet, priest and king, free amigos. Yo, or maybe free wise men. Alignment like the stars over the horizon. Ital is vital and don't do poison. Fire for the dirty Babylon and the wicked wear them. Let's support empresses with locks and headdresses. Turbans, waist beads and sundresses. Sons and daughters of the most high Jah. Mama nature by his side to complete the cipher.
Do you have no respect? Do you have no honor? If you want peace, you should live as a Rasta. Black, gold and green is the blood that I bleed. It's the colors of my flag and the flag that I need. It's the flag of Marcus Garvey. It teaches me to live as a Rasta. I don't eat flesh and I don't drink water. Cause what is a sheep if it's not a shepherd? I live in the mountains, the fresh air is better. So if you want peace, you should live as a Rasta.
Been on this culture flex as long as Atari. Grew in the concrete safari, Rastafari. My spirit been around from apartheid, civil wars, far cry. Cry blood, high grade, calm down and fuck. Relaxation, concentration, discipline, order. Hold the corner, keep that opinion. Kings versus minions. How much spliff I bun? More than 1 trillion. Higher heights, check the insights of my prophets. Niggas moving forward and we can't stop it. Just soldiers keep marching as the time's passing. Stepping on royal lands, staying focused, can't spoil our plans. Coil up in the hand like a snake and sting us. You never know, say that jar bring us, and we appear as winners. Rasta rap, standing in the booth with a Rasta hat. Correct any priest or rabbi, call me Tazai, no bad guy. Still ready for the lightning and thunder. We stay on top of things, not under. We stay on top of things, not under.
Do you have no respect? Do you have no honor? If you want peace, you should live as a Rasta. Do you have no respect? Do you have no honor? If you want peace, you should live as a Rasta.